Hi, this is Xavier from AXP Racing, and today we talk about the skid plate for the CFMOTO MT450. The first good news is that we only have one version that you can fit with or without the OEM crash bars. This skid plate is made of HDP 8mm thick plastic. It will protect the water pump, the case, the lower frame and engine block, and you also have a plate to protect the linkage that you can choose to fit or not. This skid plate is pretty easy and quick to fit because we only have 6 screws. Let me show you the option 1 without the crash bars. In the package you will have this foam pad that you will be free to cut at your own convenience. Personally, I put one on each side in order to protect the case and the water pump. We are now ready to fit the skid plate, and for an easy assembly you can start by placing this screw on each side. You can now use this alloy spacer and screws to place up and down. The skid plate is all fitted. If you want to add the linkage protection, you just have to fix it with the 2 screws on the skid plate before putting it on the bike. And now option 2, if you want to fit the OEM crash bars on the bike, it's exactly the same for right and left side. You just have to remove this screw and then use the 2 frame mounting points to fit them. With or without crash bars, you are now all ready to go on off-road tracks. If you have any question, leave a comment. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel, and see you on the next one.